First, when you get your kit, make sure you have everything you need. The front, the back, the sides, the roof, the bat, and the screws and nails.
Adults out there, you'll also need a drill bit, a hammer, a screwdriver, caulk, and a caulk gun.
Make sure there's no sawdust on the pieces.
The side and roof part should fit snugly into the grooves. The roof, you place it on here, on the pieces, and it can be a little wiggly. Run a small amount of a sticky substance called caulk on the back into the grooves. Place the piece into the spot, into the groove. If you do put a little too much caulk on, it's easy to clean up with a moist rag. I have attached the included drill bit to my drill. I'm now going to pre-drill the holes in the front. Make sure to hold the drill straight down above the hole.
Now we're screwing the screws into the back.
So the next step is the roof. The roof comes in two pieces, a shorter piece and a longer piece. The correct way to assemble it is to take the shorter piece, line it up to the peak of the bat house, take the longer piece, take the angled edges together, and there's your roof. The correct way to assemble it is to take the shorter piece, line it up to the peak of the bat house, take the longer piece, take the angled edges together, and there's your roof. That's right. Let's start to drill it and caulk it.
I'm screwing it in place now. Put a bit of caulk on the back of your bat and put it onto your bat house. You know, bat sweeps upside down, so yours can too. A bit of caulk can act like it. And then place your bat on your bat house, just to make sure the bat does not fall out.
Alright.
This is what the bat house should look like when it's finished. The instructions will tell you what colors to paint it. It matters how hot it gets where you live in July. We are going to paint ours a dark color like black.
The higher the better as far as hanging your bat house, but it should be at least 10 or 12 feet high. To find out more about bat houses and the kit we use today, go to www.habitatforbats.org.